Welcome to a quick Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on signing out of your Twitch account on the mobile app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Launch the Twitch app. Tap your profile icon at the top left of the app. Select Account Settings from the menu. The logout button is right at the bottom of the settings page. Tap that. Click Logout again on the pop-up. You'll now be signed out of your Twitch account. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Twitch tips and tricks.